Welcome to the Clipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to insert date on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your PowerPoint. After that, open any document. If I open a blank presentation, from here just click on Insert tab, then select your slide, and then on the text option you can find date and time. Just click on date and time option. That's it. From here just select date and time. Then you can choose two options, update automatically and fixed. If you select update automatically, then your current date and time will be updated automatically. On the other hand, if you select fixed, then your date or time will be stay fixed. So if I select update automatically, then just click here, then choose any format. You can select only date, only time, date and time both. So if I select only date, then select your language. If I select UK English, then just select footer option and then click on apply, then click on OK. You can see at the bottom date has been inserted successfully. Also, if I click here again and then choose another format of date. Now if you cannot insert date or time with UK English language, then you have to select US English and then click on apply again, and it's done. And that is how you can insert date on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.